Ever wonder why diesel motors are designed to hit 500,000 miles, yet most owners fail to even reach 100,000? Today, I am sharing 11 diesel hacks that only veteran gearheads actually use. Many of these ignore logic and standard brand advice, yet they perform like miracles. Stay tuned until the finish, because the final trick is totally free, yet it will save you $5,000. Secret number 11. Ditch the idle. Just drive. It is common knowledge that diesel blocks operate perfectly once they hit their peak thermal levels. The problem is, how is it most effective to get there? Despite what various car owners were taught, sitting still is a mistake. While you idle your diesel motor, you are simply wasting juice, harming the planet via nitrogen gases and tiny soot particles. Always remember that the liquid diesel is thinning your engine lubricant, meaning you destroy the metal much faster. So, how must you heat up your diesel motor? First, recall the glow plug routine we previously covered. Next, ignite the motor and just wait for 30 seconds. Anything past that, and you are already losing cash. Eventually, begin moving, but never go above 2,000 RPM until your coolant needle climbs. Never redline a diesel block until it is ready. That will ruin your turbo, which will cost thousands of dollars for fixes. Heating your motor the proper way will guarantee that grease flows to the vital parts faster. You will also decrease piston wear, carbonized fuel traces, and tailpipe clouds. Truly, the cash saved alone is fantastic. Here is a shocking reality. Idling consumes a gallon of diesel every hour. That is a steep cost to pay for ignorance. But do you know what is even worse than pushing your motor too fast? The next tip. Secret number 10. Double your glow plug lifespan. Were you aware that skipping the ignition timing might reduce the durability of your glow plug and lead to engine shaking? Beyond that, such early cranking drenches the chamber in raw diesel. That may lead to pale smoke, rough idling, and permanent harm to cylinder liners. This is why rookie diesel owners waste massive amounts of cash on fixes long before they hit 100,000 miles. So, what is necessary? Each time you crank your vehicle, allow the glow plug icon to vanish before you ignite it. The glow plug icon looks like coils and is very easy to see. It performs the same task as the spark plug in a petrol motor, although less rapidly. During winter, I suggest pulsing twice before you crank your motor. So, turn the power on, wait for that icon to fade, shut off the vehicle, and redo. This process guarantees that the metal is warm enough for total fuel combustion. Smooth ignitions place less stress on your battery and increase the longevity of your glow plug. The typical glow plug works between 80,000 to 100,000 miles. Regardless, seasoned truckers rarely swap theirs until 150,000 miles and might reach nearly 200,000 miles. Regrettably, most blocks never even survive that long. This is because many owners also forget the following secret. Secret number 9. Always use high-quality fuel additives. Liquid treatments possess a poor image and with valid logic. However, while most of the alleged products utilized in gasoline motors are fake oil or barely helpful, it is different for diesel blocks. For starters, diesel treatments are not optional. The method of producing ultra-low sulfur fuels removes the diesel from some of its slippery characteristics. In regulated trials, ULSD has been shown to create friction marks of 520 microns. What this implies is that without an anti-wear treatment, your motor will break down much faster. At the very least, you must be utilizing top-shelf diesel for every refill. The added treatments boost lubricity, stop buildup growth, reduce water and sediment pollution, and much more. If you lack access to top-grade diesel, then utilize a product like Hot Shot Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. Besides better lubrication, this formula also boosts cetane. Diesel from most outlets does not deliver nearly enough cetane, including top shelf. During winter, you require diesel winter anti-gel. Diesel thickens fast, and cranking your motor in winter can be tough. so never operate your truck without it. Utilizing diesel treatments faithfully can also increase your fuel thrift by nearly 10%. This implies treatments might save you nearly $500 every year. However, do not mess around with the wrong ones and finish with a ruined motor. Watch this clip to learn which treatments work. 13 fuel additives mechanics don't want you to know. Secret number 8. Keep your tank above empty. Diesel fuel is more sensitive than gasoline. It can become polluted easily by water, wax, debris, and microbes. That is why diesel fuel cells hold a lot of grime at the base. So, whenever you are driving near empty, all of that muck and grit gets pulled into the fuel pump. Over time, this will not just ruin the pump, but also block the fuel sprayers and filters. That is why you must always refill your tank once it hits at least a quarter. Some other experts suggest half a tank, but this is extreme. The primary part you must safeguard is the fuel pump. If you frequently drive your tank at or under 1/8, the fuel pump lacks enough cooling. Doing this once or twice every few months is not a problem. But if it is a habitual action, the fuel pump will burn, and you will want a new one. This might cost anywhere from $700 to $1,500. If you must swap your fuel pump before 100,000 miles, it implies you are doing something wrong. Another issue with driving near empty is moisture in the tank. Unlike gasoline, diesel does not produce a high-pressure gas that can push out air. So, when the weather shifts in the tank, water vapor forms on the tank skin and then spoils the diesel. Tank water fosters bacterial life, rust, and decay, which ruin fuel lines. I must also mention that some cars will not finish a DPF cycle if the tank is under 1/4. For peak performance, aim to keep your tank full as much as possible and utilize cold weather diesel fuel in freezing climate situations. While being a lazy refueler will kill your motor after many years, this next one will not stay that long. Secret number 7. Respect the vital turbo cool-down period. Here is a blunt fact you might dislike. Fresh drivers must never own turbochargers. Sure, they are a big thrill, but they are also quite fragile. Even though they are much tougher than they were years ago, turbochargers still fail very quickly. For instance, when you kill a turbo instantly after moving, you will bake the turbo wheels. That is because turbo housings can hit levels as extreme as 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit. That is as warm as magma. As long as the vehicle is spinning, the oil will help wash away that high heat. However, once you kill it, the oil crusts or chars onto the wheels. This carbon buildup blocks air and oil paths in the turbocharger, causing early failure. And swapping a turbo is not cheap. You will pay between $2,000 and $4,000 for a swap if you are lucky. In expensive cars like Mercedes SUVs, this might exceed $5,000. So, whenever you drive with weight, like after hauling, wait for 1 to 3 minutes before killing the motor. This will allow the oil and liquid enough time to wash away any high heat. If you are focused on guarding your turbocharger, there are 2 other tasks you must do. Secret number 6. Change or refresh clogged air filters constantly. Are you aware that diesel blocks are far more dependent on air intake than petrol engines? Diesel blocks depend on pressure ignition rather than spark units, so they require a lot more flow. That is why diesel motors operate on a very thin air-fuel mix of between 25 to 1 and 40 to 1. On the other hand, petrol motors only require between 12 to 1 and 15 to 1. This implies that if you desire your truck to hit 1,000,000 miles, you must be faithful with air intake. It also implies that you might need to disregard whatever garbage is in your guide. The car brand might claim, change out air intake every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Regardless, that is only if you travel in ideal environments. If you reside in a place with a lot of grit, travel on rocky paths, or waste a lot of time in jams, you must change it more frequently. My law is this: do not wait for it to become too filthy. Every 3 to 6 months, pull it out and shake out any extra grit. For peak results, utilize an air blower. Regardless, if you are noticing dark smoke, lower fuel thrift, and odd sounds even after washing the filter? Swap it. You must also swap the filter roughly every 12,000 miles, or once a year, even if it yet appears bright. A filter is just $30, but a ruined turbocharger costs 100 times more. Secret number 5. Fuel line maintenance every 30,000 miles. The hardest part about diesel blocks is the ash. Carbon residue, lacquer, and muck can form up in fuel pipes, racks, and nozzles in a flash. That is why 60% of power drop reports and fuel nozzle breakdowns are due to messy diesel fuel setups. And by the moment it becomes this poor, you are facing a fix bill passing $2,000. Regrettably, the path to avoid this issue is not cheap. If you desire your diesel motor to survive for decades, you must have it expertly washed every 30,000 miles. This may vary from a deep wash with liquids for $100 to fuel refining at $500. Fuel setup washing can even cost up to $1,000. While it is not low cost, it is useful. Fuel savings alone may be as high as 15%. So, if you waste a total of $5,000 per year on fuel, a deep wash can save you $750. It will also stop early aging of turbochargers, nozzles, pistons, and much more. Secret number 4. Wash or swap the turbo heat exchanger. Has your car started a vocal trend such as piping or wheezing? Have you seen weak or sluggish takeoff? Or is your car dumping more smog than normal? If so, you might have a messy intercooler. Luckily for you, the truly nasty symptoms have not started yet. The turbo intercooler performs a vital task in chilling the warm air moving into the motor. This chilling cycle guarantees that more oxygen enters the motor, which boosts firing and engine output. But over time, the intercooler becomes messy. Oil spray and street grit can crawl in there and block it. This boosts the intake air heat by up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which lowers power flow by up to 20%. As a result, the turbocharger will start to labor, and if this persists, it will surely fail. To stop this from occurring, wash the turbo intercooler every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, or at the early mark of trouble. One man visited my shop and his radiator was soaked in oil. The PCV part had failed, and he missed it in time, all before 96,000 miles. Intercoolers are simple to wash, but if you wait too long, you might want a new one. Washing can cost a few hundred, while a swap can be as high as $4,000. A fresh intercooler will guard your turbo, but washing the following item will guard your motor. Secret number 3. Swap diesel lubricant for carbon levels. Are you aware that for urban travel, a diesel motor can pass its ash limit in under 3,000 miles? This implies that if you swap the oil based on the advice in the book, you might early on lose your motor. Most guides and shops suggest you swap the oil every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Some even claim as high as 15,000 miles. Regardless, that is the normal service plan, and not the harsh service plan. If you do much urban travel, short trips, stop-and-go flows, or heavy hauling, that is not normal. That implies you want to swap your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. And yes, with chemical oil, even if the oil looks good, you still must swap it at 5,000 miles absolute. That is because diesel ash enters the oil, which makes it denser than usual. As a result, the oil will not lubricate as it must, and it will ruin your cams and joints. So, if you do not want to be stuck with a $5,000 fix bill, swap the oil often. Secret number 2. Push your motor like you stole it. If you desire your diesel motor to hit 500,000 miles, you cannot afford to treat it like a child. Diesel blocks work best at higher thermal levels. This implies that if you only use it for tiny trips or drive at walking speeds, your motor will start breaking down before 100,000 miles. Driving at low RPM boosts carbon growth, blocks the DPF, and hurts the turbocharger. Your gift for driving softly will be a total engine overhaul. On the other hand, diesel cars must be driven between 1,500 to 2,500 RPM. If you only drive inside the city, You want to give your car an Italian tune-up once a week. This is when you travel at 70 miles per hour for at least 20 minutes. This cycle burns away ash and carbon traces, which is perfect for DPF cleaning. It also clears carbon traces from fuel nozzles and the EGR valve. Even though you will use a bit more fuel, you will not have to pay thousands on a new motor. Secret number 1. Track DPF cleaning cycle. Between 22% and 46% of owners overlook console alert icons. While you might avoid trouble with it in a gasoline car, it is not worth the danger in a diesel. One of the icons you cannot afford to overlook is the DPF cleaning icon. The DPF alert icon looks like an outlet with specs inside. When that icon turns on, it implies there is ash growth in the DPF that wants to be burned away. You must keep moving until the car finishes, either a silent or active DPF cleaning. If you quit driving before the cleaning cycle is finished, there will be too much ash and you will finally want a new DPF. With correct driving styles, a DPF must last at least 100,000 miles. And trust me, you want it to last as long as possible because they cost a huge amount. A swap can cost you up to $2,500. Regardless, a clogged DPF can hurt the motor and turbocharger while also dropping fuel thrift. In other words, overlooking DPF can cost you a total engine repair. Since you realize these 11 tips, you can keep your diesel truck on the path and out of service bays for years. As long as you are mindful, active with service, and utilize high-grade oils and filters, you will be very good. These tips will not help you any good if you possess the bad driving styles. So, watch this. 13 habits to make your car last over 500,000 miles without repairs.